What should we have for dinner? Something exciting, I think. Oh, I've got it.
Mom, I am hungry. Can we make something yummy? Yummy!
Let's make spaghetti. Do you want to help me?
Yes, I want to be a little chef. Ha ha!
I want to help too. But first, let's look in the fridge. What do we need? Let's check.
We need tomatoes, an onion, and some garlic.
I see the tomatoes. They are red and round. And here is the big white onion. Huh?
Great job, team. Let's put them on the counter. That's it. Keep going. Looks good. Nice.
Before we cook, we must wash our hands. It's very important.
I am using soap. Look at all the bubbles. My hands are clean and sparkly now. Ben, please wash the tomatoes. Use cold water. Okay, Mom. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3, and 4. All clean.
I am cutting the onion. Oh, it makes my eyes sting.
Why are you crying, Mommy?
It's just the onion, Lily. Onions are very strong.
I am peeling the garlic.
Oh.
It has a thin skin. Now it is ready for the pan. I am filling the pot with water. It's heavy. The stove is hot. Kids, stay back, please.
Sizzle. The pan is hot. Now I add the onions.
It smells so good, Mom. Can I add the tomatoes?
Of course, son. Go ahead.
Carefully. Good job, Ben.
Oh. Is it time for the noodles?
Yes, Lily. These are long spaghetti noodles. Let's put them in the pot.
Oh. Okay, Mom.
A little salt and a little pepper. Now we stir the sauce. The food is almost ready. Ben, Lily, let's set the table.
Okay.
Let's go.
I am getting the plates. How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plates for 4 people. This plate is for Dad. This plate is for Mom. I am putting the napkins next to the plates. 1 fork for me and 1 fork for you. Oh.
I am putting the water in the middle.
Careful, it's very hot.
Here is your dinner, Ben. Do you want cheese?
Yes, please. Yes, please. I love cheese. It looks like snow. Look, Mommy. I'm making a giant noodle ball.
This tastes wonderful because we made it together.
I saw a squirrel steal our birdseed. Ah, that's so funny.
He had puffy cheeks. He's a repeat offender.
Thank you for cooking with us. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.